If you drink water with lemon and ginger in an empty stomach every morning, here's what will happen in your body. You'll promote weight loss. Lemon and ginger are known for the ability to boost metabolism and burn bad fats. They can also help reduce appetite. You'll detoxify your entire body. This powerful detox drink helps eliminate toxins accumulated in your body, supporting the proper functioning of your organs and blood circulation. You'll have an energy boost for the day. Lemon and ginger are energizing and revitalizing. The dose of essential vitamins and minerals will give you a sense of energy and freshness throughout the day. You'll facilitate digestion. This drink has digestive properties that promote healthy digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, reduces bloating, and relieves stomach aches. You'll alleviate certain illnesses. Lemon and ginger are recognized for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They can help relieve joint pain, strengthen the immune system, and fight infections in your body. Follow for more health tips and check out our bio for more information.